Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Fingers back with you for another hopefully interesting lesson. This is part 2 of my lessons on Bad to Me from Billy J. Kramer and the Dakotas, written by Lennon and McCartney but performed by Billy J. Kramer. Okay, had a big hit with it. In part 1 we covered the intro and the first verse and the turnaround into verse 2. So verse 2 is exactly the same to play as verse 1, so you've got the leaves on the trees will be softly sighing if they heard from the breeze that you let them cry and they'd be sad. Don't be bad to me. And that's how it does it, it just stops. Okay, it comes, don't be sad, don't be bad to me. And all I did there, coming out of the sad to D, I played the open D string strum, the D chord, and then play the A string strum, and then stop. Right, so it comes out of that sad to me. Okay, let's stop, mute the strings, bump with your back edge of your hand there, just kill it. And then it goes into the chorus. But you know you won't leave me till you told me so. Now this is a nice sequence of chords. G to A, okay. But I know you won't leave me because you told me so. To F sharp minor. But I've no intention of B7 letting you go. Okay, so that's again. But so after the D, stop. But I know you won't. Stop. But I know you won't leave me, cause you told me so. And I've never intention of letting you go. Okay, that's as far as we've got. E minor, just so long as you A, let me know. Now we've got a nice sequence of chords. D, you won't be bad to me. That's that. So that's the sequence D. To an F chord, I'm playing a 4-fingered F. You could play a simple F or a bar chord if you so wish. Okay, 4-fingered F is the F with the 3rd finger going up to the 5th string with the 3rd fret there, and the pinky takes over on the 4th string, 3rd fret. It's F, or you could call it F with C in the bass if you want, 5 downwards. Gives you a little bit more bass content in the F chord. Okay, so from the beginning, so that's that sequence again at the end is D to F to E minor to that F augmented, and then we're going into the instrumental. No, verse 3, sorry, at that point, verse 3. Okay, so verse 2, just go through verse 2, the chorus, and then we'll go into verse 3. Okay, so leaves on the trees will be softly sighing if they heard from the breeze that you let me cry and they'd be sad. Don't be bad to me, but I know you won't leave me because you told me so. And I've no intention of letting you go, just so long as you let me know you won't be bad to me. And then verse 3, same as usual. The birds in the sky won't be sad and lonely cause they know that I've got back. All my lonely they be glad you're not bad to me. Now at that point it does the instrumental, which is an instrumental verse. Okay, so it's just like without singing, like with another stop. Okay, so you come out of verse 3 because you'll be glad you're not bad too, and then straight into verse the instrumental verse. And then we do the stop. Then we do another chorus. Okay, but I know you won't leave me because he told me so, and I've no intention of letting you go, and just so long as final verse, okay? The birds in the sky won't be sad and lonely if they know that I've got mine. Only they'll be glad, as usual, G. And the augmented, F augmented. You're bad too. Now we go change for the outro. We go into A minor. Me. Okay, so you got the last verse going into the outro. So the birds in the sky won't be sad and lonely, 'cause they know that I've got mine. One and only they'll be glad. You're not bad. A minor to me. Now play that little riff we played right at the intro. Fourth string, fret of the third string to the second fret on the third string, and then the fourth on the fourth to the second on the fourth. Right? Same form we use right at the intro. Okay, so you've got that. Not bad. A minor to me. B7. There'll be E minor. Glad you're not F augmented. To D. Me. And then you just play the usual verse intro, verse bit. Okay. To me. Same as the verse. Okay. To me. Finish on the D chord, yeah? So go from verse 3 through the outro to the end, okay? So the birds in the sky won't be sad and lonely, 'cause they know that I've got my one and only, they'll be glad. You're not bad to me. They'll be glad. You're not bad to me. To me, to me. And there you have it, boys and girls, the whole rest of the song. Hope you enjoyed that. That's a really nice song to play, I think. Lots going on. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.